Sturdy young and I got hop on any beat and get the. I told her get up on her feet, she get the way she get the move and got me. Come on.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's Saturday, January 4th. I just got back from the gym, showered, washed my face, ate. We about to go to a rage room. I'm excited because I've never been before, so this will be something that I could cross off my list, you know? It was snowing yesterday, so we're gonna see how the weather acting, but it's pretty cold outside. I'm all bundled, okay? I'm about to take this hair out because I just don't like it at all. I'm going on a trip later this month, so I think I might start putting braids in my hair because I just don't want to pay somebody like $400 to get braids done. So that's what I'm about to do. It's real cold outside, like I said, so I'm about to put some Vaseline on for some extra moisture, and yeah, we about to head out. So I'm gonna show y'all when we get to the rage room.
Over everything with you all today. Give you your helmet, give you your safety gear and all that stuff. First step is you need to use the restroom. It's all the way down on the left. Any restroom trips before we get started? Anyone need to wait a minute to complete or
Yo, he just tried to kill me.
No, he did not.
Oh my god, when y'all boyfriends say you want to go to a rage room right on the wake up, just give it a few seconds of thought. My god, the glass was just flying. I'm pretty sure I got something in my hair.
No, you didn't, baby.
Bro, I should have put my shit. I should have wore a beanie or something. That was so scary. And we was only in there for 15 minutes. We was only in there for like 15 minutes, swear.
Yeah. It was only there for
like
15
that
minutes.
includes instructions.
No, it doesn't.
Like, what the heck was that?
That was insane. I didn't know what it was going to be. But
And he was having the most fun. He was having such a great time.
It was kind of cool.
I didn't know he was that strong, babe.
You didn't know it was that strong? What you mean?
He broke everything in there, including the tables.
You're supposed to. It's a rage room. You're supposed to break everything.
And then the person gonna come in there and talk about, you didn't want to break this? You didn't want to break that? I'm like, sir, we're trying to leave.
At him like, no.
I couldn't believe when he said that. I just knew he was coming in there to save me. Y'all, the date continues. We vibing.
We had the chill part.
No, because we never go to like little lounges and just vibe, and it's nobody in here, so it's just chill vibe. And we watching a game. We just ordered some wings and some drinks and stuff. So
Cooler.
yeah, we just cooling for real. Like, it's Saturday, we ain't got nothing to do. Like, this is that life, babe. This is that life that we talk about.
This is what I was waiting for.
Nah, but yeah.
For the chill part.
And it's right by the crib too, so this shit. Depending on how these wings taste, that's all. We should have told him all flats.
He's right there.
You probably already put it in.
No, just
Is
say
that
it.
too? You say it. Say it.
Excuse me. Can we do all flats for the wings?
That's why I got a boyfriend. Handle my battles.
And then if something go wrong, that's when you step in. I said no pickles, nigga. That's what you're supposed to say.
That's how I sound.
No, that's not how you sound. But those are the words you're supposed to say. That's our rule, baby. That's the rule.
Good morning, y'all. It's Sunday, January 5th. We just finished watching church. We actually kind of missed church today. Today was supposed to be like our new members class, but we forgot about it and we missed it. So hopefully they give us another chance to become members or whatever. On the agenda today, y'all, we are hosting dinner for his parents. We need to go to the grocery store. Right now we're on the way to the gym because we need to keep up our New Year's resolutions. We've been on a good roll. We went to the gym yesterday. My legs are hurting real bad. We did have a little cheat day yesterday. As y'all saw, we was vibing in the little lounge, having some wings and some drinks and stuff. I think for dinner we're gonna make like Chipotle bowls. So we're gonna like prep the ingredients and stuff. So we need to go to the grocery store to get some of that stuff. We have some stuff at home, but we need to go get some other stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. I also signed up for my real estate class today. That will be starting on Tuesday. It's after work, so I can like get off of work and then the instructor will teach the class after work. So I'm really excited about that. It's like a 2-week course, and then you take the test, and then you study to get your license or whatever the case may be. So I'm super excited about that because I've been wanting to be a real estate agent for a long time, and I just been thinking about how to level up my life and stuff like that. So I just feel like this is good. I saw the class online and I prayed about it. I waited on it, and then today it was just on my spirit like, girl, you need to sign up. What are you waiting for? Why are you doubting yourself? Because I think a lot of times I tell myself like, I can't do that, like nobody's gonna want to buy a house for me, or I don't feel like doing that. Like, I was just like, let me push myself, let me take this risk. A lot of y'all don't know, like I was supposed to go to law school and I was supposed to be an attorney and stuff like that, but after like some soul searching and some digging, I just really feel like that's not the life that I want for myself. Just as far as like being buried under just court and paperwork and doing all that. And I know that paperwork is involved with being a real estate agent, but it's more about sales and interacting with community and customer engagement and stuff like that. And I'm really good at sales, so I think I can do it. And I'm gonna give it my best effort. This is the year that I'm gonna make myself uncomfortable and push myself. So I'm just excited to see what God has planned for me. I'm hoping that this is what He wanted for me, and that this is something that He's wanted me to do. So we're gonna see. But I got the class and it starts on Tuesday, so y'all pray for me. On top of that, I have like a trip coming up, and I have we're going to a gender reveal out of town. So we just have a lot coming up this month. I'm hoping that I can balance it all and just stay calm, stay prayed up, stay on my routines. So yeah, I'm excited for January starting off real spicy, real fast paced, but I'm excited, y'all. And so yeah, but yeah, we about to head into this gym, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we come back. Hey y'all, we just came back from the gym. Today, Jamie, not gonna lie to you. Apparently, y'all, there's gonna be a big storm out here, so I'm glad we were able to go today. Hopefully, it's not too bad tomorrow, so I could come back tomorrow, but I don't know. Anywho, we're on our way to the grocery store because we need to go pick up some stuff for dinner tonight. After we do that, we're gonna go home, straighten up, cook, and do all this stuff, so see ya. Y'all, we have a problem. They don't got no avocados at BJ's. What is we gonna do? Costco's would have never did this to us. But we did get us a chopper. When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on. Anybody I see avocados in their basket, I'm snatching them. Yaga!
Chips.
If you want chips, babe. This man love him a little chip. A little chip. Wait, can I get some chips? Can I get some chips? Can I get some chips? You gonna turn into a chip. Don't he starting to look like a chip, y'all? Just like this right here. The Safeway didn't have no avocados. Well, they did have avocados. It was just too hard. It wasn't right. And we need to use them today, so it's like, what we gonna do? So we gotta find some ripened avocados. Anywho, but yeah, we gotta go find us some avocados. Why you taking pictures in that lamb? He don't own one. Fucking with my son, I shoot a nigga down, but
Your car yelling at you.
fucking with my booker, I'ma shoot a nigga down, but
Oh, no.
fucking with my booker, I'ma shoot a bitch down, but when I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one. Missing my booker, I be tripping, I be on one.
Why you keep running it?
Cause I love my booger so much, I be on one. See, babe, it's a spin. Spin off. Ooh, I came back from my bowls. When I'm out of town. Why you got me? Unhand me. Y'all, these bowls at Target are so cute. Look. Hold
Wait,
on.
we have to go.
Okay, hold this so I can get mine.
Are you getting these?
We found the avocados, but they're all hard as well. All of a sudden, they want to have hard avocados, but when I want them to have some hard avocados, they want to have all of them right. Because it's Sunday, probably. We could just get some guac, call it a day. Just gonna get some guac. And then I'll just add stuff to it, I guess. Where's my boyfriend? Where is my man? There he is. Looking like a chip. We should get avocado anyway. But we definitely still need avocado. Not bad of a price either. Quality cados. Trying to resist the urge to get Starbucks so bad.
Caught up on anything you may have missed on Sunday of Week 18. Chris Rose is the host. Chris swings by
to go outside. As you know, there's been a blizzard, and this is the perfect time to regain my title as SnowBall Champion of the World. Last year, I was slighted by a technicality. This year, I'm not playing any games. We will not be robbed of the title. We will secure our victory. I will go into war ready to serve. See you guys on the other side.
Get into it, Miss Sizemore. Yo. Where you going, man? Yeah. What we gonna do? We got the snow, y'all. Right to your door. Wendy, walk him down.
Okay.
Walk him down, Wendy.
Clearly, I'm a joke in the community. I must regain my title, everyone.
Walk him down, Wendy.
Like I said, see you on the other side. Yeah, first hit on the gate.
This joint is not sticky.
Mayday, mayday. We gotta fill up our ammo. Mayday, mayday. We're having problems at HQ. The snow will not stick. The fight of a warrior has never. We're in the middle of the battlefield. Everything's coming up to this moment. We're low on ammunition. We're low on materials. I've been struck. I repeat, I've been struck.
She ain't got no vision. She ain't nobody. She don't know the tech. She knows she can tech.
I won, though.
Declare me the winner. Appreciate you, gang.
Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. 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 If we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide.
Y'all, we snowed in. I can't get out. My boyfriend came down to try to help me get out. Let's see. Moment of truth. Woo! I think I'm stuck, y'all. Oh, shit. Y'all. Wait, what's happening? What is he doing? I don't want to move. Oh, y'all, we gonna have to push the car. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared, y'all. I'm so scared. Wait. Oh my god, my boyfriend is trying to push it, y'all. Oh my god. The police are here. The police are here trying to help me, y'all. It's not going.
Can you reverse a little bit?
Yeah. Is nobody's behind? Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm literally stuck. Huh? Thank you. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. I'm scared. I can't. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. This is my first time driving in snow. Oh my god, and my windshield wipers is stuck. Oh my god. My boyfriend's calling me. Hello?
Hey, you gotta fix your wipers.
I know, they're stuck.
Bruh, that's what I was running behind you trying to get you.
Bruh, I couldn't even see you. You didn't brush off the back window.
Bruh, because you ran off.
I thought you were done and I have to go.
I didn't even do any. I didn't even. You have to go. Where are you now?
I'm about to get on the freeway east.
Alright. You wanna come back and get the thing?
No.
Alright.
Oh my god, my windshield wipers is stuck.
Bruh, you gonna have to get out and put the water or something.
Oh my god, I have to? What happens if I don't?
I mean, nothing will happen. It's just you should do that.
Oh my god, I feel so scary.
What you should do is just come back and pick up the car.
Babe, what about my appointment?
I know. How far away is it?
It's 17 minutes away.
You can just go now. I mean, I would get out and put the wipers down, but you don't have enough time to like come back.
I don't even have a brush. Y'all, I had intended on getting in the car talking to y'all about something totally different, and then that catastrophe happened. Y'all, I am on my way to the DMV to try to get my car registered because me and my boyfriend just kind of switched cars a little bit. Well, he got a new car and I took his old car. Hold on, he's calling me again. So I'm on my way to the DMV to try to get this registration. And I look a mess because after last night's hair catastrophe, I just had to take a break. I had to log out. Log out for me, baby girl. And then this morning, it's just too much. So yeah, y'all, I'm just overstimulated, overwhelmed, all that in a bag of chips. And then on top of that, my period gonna start. Like, girl, who asked for you? Nobody called you. So yeah, y'all, that's what I'm dealing with right now. Oh my god. It says I'm supposed to turn right here, but y'all, there's so much snow everywhere. It's like people been calling me and they've been saying like, are you okay? Like, we heard there's so much snow out there, because y'all know I'm from LA. We don't do this. Snow, we don't condone her. So they're like, are you okay? I'm like, girl, I'm fine. Like, you know, I got a remote job. I work from home, but ain't none of this affected me. I come outside, whole time the girls have been in shambles. I am so sorry y'all had to go through this. And this is the day after we had the storm. So I'm just like, girl, y'all been outside in this? Let's try again next week. How about that? And it's only Tuesday. Let me put that out there. So this is my first time driving in snow, so I'm a little shook up. And yeah, I'm gonna have to get some Starbucks or something, because what in the world is going on? Okay, y'all, so that was kind of a failed mission. So I need it's like a letter that I need from the lien people. So yeah, we're working on getting that. Should come whenever it comes. And then I gotta go back to the DMV. But today is the first day of my realtor. I can't speak today. Today's the first day of my realtor class. So I need to make it back home before 5:30. It's 4:40 right now. And I'm on my way to the store to get some pads, because I just told y'all I just started my period. So yes, y'all, it's happening to me. Life is happening to me. It's okay. But I'm about to turn on this new Jello, because it's good, y'all. It's good. I like it. Because who about to turn us down? Oh. Okay, y'all, we made it to the store. I need to put on some lip gloss, y'all. Don't mind me. I'm literally rushing. I want that one. Like I said, if you haven't got your sugar baby, get some now, baby. Say I was here first before everybody start hopping on the bandwagon of sugar baby. That's all I gotta say. Anywho, we about to go in the store and get some pads and whatever else I see that I want, because I'm on my period. Like, it's up for me.
We are realtors here in the region. We're licensed in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. Kelly and I basically got our license on the same day. And we both were in the same brokerage, just by chance met each other. And we were solo agents for a number of years. And we really do...